Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Please requesting you to please share, like, and subscribe my channel. So once again, we are here with you with an interesting topic. What is an atom? So before going further, we would like to discuss element first. An element is a substance made up of same type of atoms, having same atomic number and cannot be decomposed into simple substance by ordinary chemical reaction. Element occurs in nature in free or combined form in solid, liquid and gaseous state. Till now, 118 elements have been discovered. Majority of elements are solid, copper, gold, zinc, etc. Particles in an atom: proton, neutron and electron. All elements are made up of atoms. The atoms of one individual element are identical in every respect and differ from the atom of all other elements. Atoms are made up of subatomic particles called proton, neutron and electron. You can see the electron is revolving around the proton and neutron, and the place of proton or neutron in the nucleus. Proton has a positive charge, neutron does not have any charge, it's a neutral particle. An element identify proton number and nucleon number. Every element has its own proton number, which is indicated by Z or which is denoted by Z, and nucleon number is indicated by A, capital A. The proton number of an element is the number of proton in its atom, which is equal to the number of electron. The nucleon number of an element is the total number of proton and neutron in its atom. So here we have put an example of sodium. You can see the nucleon number is indicated with A, which is 23, symbol is Na, which is natrium, and proton number Z, which is indicated as 11. Now, substance, a piece of matter in a pure form, is termed as a substance. Every substance has fixed composition and specific properties. Every substance has physical and chemical properties. Example of pure substance include tin, sulfur, diamond, water, pure sugar, sucrose, table salt, sodium chloride and baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. Substances are elements and compound. The examples are salt, diamond and sulfur. Molecules. A molecule is the smallest particle in a chemical element or compound that has the chemical properties of that element or compound. Molecules are made up of atoms that are held together by chemical bond. These bonds form as a result of the sharing or exchange of electrons among atoms. Molecules are mono, di and polyatomic molecules. And the first you can see monatomic element like helium, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. Then we have diatomic molecule, nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Polyatomic molecule like oxygen or ozone, phosphorus, and sulfur. How to write symbol? Symbol is an abbreviation to represent the name of element. A symbol is taken from the name of element from English, Latin, Greek and German languages. Symbols are usually 1 or 2 letters long. Every symbol starts with capital letter as carbon with C or sulfur as S. If symbol is 2 letters, then start with the capital and second will be in a small letter as He, helium for and Cr for chromium. We have given you a table. In this table you can see hydrogen, the proton number which is Z indicated as the 1 and nucleon number 1, proton number 1 and number of electron 1. Then we have carbon, the proton number is 6, nucleon number 12, number of proton is 6 and number of electron is 6. So 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. Then we have oxygen, the proton number 9, nucleon number 16, Number of proton 8 and number of electron 8, and 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. One more example, you can see the proton number is 17, which is chlorine. Then we have nucleon number 35. Number of proton is 17. The number of electron is 17. 35 minus 17 is equal to 18. Jazakallah for today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.